Hi guys! Hi everyone. Parang may nagpo-form na pimple Wait lang. Parang meron talagang may dry lip. Wait, tinatanggal ko yung balat nung wait. Hi guys. How's everyone? Okay, there. Kailan ka uwi? Pabalik-balik sa atin. Pabalik-balik. Hi Sheen, AJ. Hi M. How's everyone? Guys, parang tagal ko lang di nagla-live. Parang last live ko was 5 months ago. Grabe, ang tagal na natin di nagkita. Ang dami na nagbago sa akin. Ang dami na nagbago sa inyo. Grabe. How's your day, guys? To be honest, I was just in bed all day. Kaya, sobrang pagod ako this week. Parang sabi ko, alam mo, this Friday night, di ako lalabas. I don't wanna see anyone. I don't wanna see my friends. Hello po, good evening po. Kamusta naman lahat? Tapos na ba yung live nila, Mika? Tayo na. Did you see Haru na? Yes, ang taba ni Haru. Thank you po sa heart me. Ang taba ni Haru. Ang sarap niya. Guys, ang pumayat si Nezu. I was like, but parang, why you skinny? Pero nakita ko si Nezu. Sobrang pa. Napagano'n ako. Tapos si Nezu tago ng tago. Si Haru naman parang, nakita mo na lang biglang nag-iikot. Missed you too. Okay naman ako, guys. I'm rewatching HIH. Have fun. You see, Haru and Nezu on frame. Yes. Nakaimika na siya. Unless di pa niya sinasabi. Oop. Yeah. Haru is with Mika and Nezu. Nasaan po si Ate Mix? Di ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Naiyak ako. Hindi ko alam, guys. Shout out naman po. Shout out sa'yo. Shout out ba kanino? Wylene Kibol. Guys, manonood ba kayo ng Showtime bukas? Naghahanap ako ng parang para makanood ako eh. Pero sobrang last minute na. Sabi ko, parang hindi na ako papayagan nito Wait lang, guys Ay. Walang magpa-prank call ngayon. They have a cat din, no. But I know someone was gonna give me. Tapos nakalimutan ko lang mag-reply. But I was gonna get that cat. You're like the bully in He's Into Her Season 2. Yeah, that's me. Pag-usapan muna natin ang iyong gabi. Ikaw ang pahinga. Is it okay to be jealous even if you have no right to be? I guess if parang di ka naman super jealous na parang OA na. I mean, everyone gets jealous. Pa yan, umano na ma-ADHD ko. Everyone gets a little jealous naman. You're human. Don't worry. Ilan tattoo po? 3. Is it okay to like an INC even though you're not an INC? I don't know. Like, I know someone who's an INC, pero I guess up to you na. I don't see any problem with it. I guess like sa family lang. I guess with their religion. Next, Balik by Dom Guyo. Love that song. Okay, bye. Sabi mo, nag-nag muna daw siya ng... Kailan kayo last nagkita ng Don Bell or ibang HIH cast? Don Bell, last time I saw them was the after party sa Christmas special. Love them. Ibang HIH cast, I saw Joao recently lang. Chris, I also saw Chris recently lang. Tara, golf. Gusto ko talaga mag-aral ng golf. Puso sabik sa lalim, mapatingin mo para sa'kin. Ram, music producer ka ba? No. I wish I have like the power, but I can't. Hanap ko ikaw naman. May nagsabi raw, hi Josh. Sino man? Sa'kin ba? Is Mika a actor? Yes po, actress po siya. COF ba kayo ni Andres? Not naman circle of friends, but we know each other. I saw Andres out one time. Kinapalan ko ng mukha ko, tapos sabi ko, magiging bestie ko to. Pero di kami naging bestie. Who you? I'm Raho po. Where do you wanna travel next? You wanna go Japan again? I wanna go Japan again. Fons or Andres? Doon na lang kay Andres na lang. Mas mabait si Andres sa akin eh. Ayoko kay Fons, galit ako kay Fons, kaya kay Andres muna ako. Is Mika your classmate? Sa show po, yes. Ka na naman, pwede bang sa akin? Ay, pupunta po sa concert ng Bini. Yes! Dapat akong pumunta. Kaya na Specs mo. Thank you, Sunny Specs. Baka naman. What tier ka po sa Feb 15? Not sure yet. Can you deep your voice? Pwede naman po. But, sabi sa akin before ng parang, di naman siya vocal coach, pero sabi niya maganda daw yung placement ng boses ko pag dito kasi it's healthier. But if I put it down, di daw. Good night, MC. Kamukha mo si Kylie or something. Ako nga po yun, si Carly po. This is my tattoo one, the Benison Bear, Saturn, and then my nickname, Thunder. Sino celeb crush mo? Marami eh. Ayoko na kasi kaibigan ko rin sila, so ayoko. Hindi ako magsasalita. Thunder is for my nickname kasi that's my nickname at home. So, tatlo kami magkakapatid. Rain, siya, and Thunder. Ako bunso. So, Rain yung Rain is the pinakamatanda. Middle is Shine. Thunder is me, the bunso. If may chance, gusto yung po pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya. I wanted to, but then now I don't want. I'm on my second na. Guys, so Ashley's on her second na daw. Okay guys, Ashley's on her second dinner. Deserve. Guys, nag-workout yan. Tumakbo yan ng 10 kilometers. Tumakbo yan ng 10 kilometers, guys. Sabihin nyo, eat well po, Miss Ashley. I plan to join our showbiz again. Yes po. Hopefully this year, something happens. Mabigat ba si Haru? Di naman. Can everyone say, where's your waist, Ashley? Guys, tag nyo nga to. Where's your waist, Ashley? Asyakit ka nga ng mga parang mga 5 seconds lang. So, tumatakbo si Asha treadmill. What if HIH comeback? Guys, magpapapayat muna talaga ako ng sobrang todo na parang sobrang payat na ako. Para kasing payat ni Mika or ni Ash. I'm in deep clean mode. Deserve. Saan ba si Haro all this time? Di ko rin alam. Basta one day na lang pag-visit ko. Sabi ko, parang familiar tong cat na to ah. Meow, meow, meow. Yung pala, si Haru. Haru or mix? At this point, Haru. Haha! Paano kung yung gusto ko may gustong iba? Paas uli kay Mika. Ako nasasagot. Eh di agawin mo. Please pansinin mo ako. Yan ang pinapansin ng Tamaloy_fan. Ashley or Mika. Depende kung sino na sa live. Oh my god, andito ba yung... Wala, parang may nakita pumasok na sabi ko, oh my god. Pakilala mo muna naman ako kay Mika. 50 billion pesos. Binibini or binibaby. Nakita yung tsura ni Stako nun. So, honestly, same. Yung ko ng binibaby, gusto ko sineseryoso eh. Ano daw? Bakit Thunder po? Nickname po sa bahay. Kaming tatlo, magkakapatid, Rain, Shine, Thunder. Pero kailan next vlog? Pag nakabili na ako ng Osmo Pocket 3. Kasi kailangan ko eh. Guys, gustong-gusto ko na ng Osmo 3. Pocket 3. Pero pag kasi ang mahal, parang sabi ko, gusto ko ba talaga magbaksak ng perang ganun? Ah! Hala mo pa! Oh my god, dito na naman si Metson. Guys, makakabili na ako ng Osmo Pocket 3 dahil kay Metson. Grabe. Thank you po. Oh my god, chipping it for Osmo. Thank you po. Grabe. Gara po kayo ka-close ni Mika. Ngayon po hindi pa kami masyadong close kasi malayo siya, nasa north siya, nasa south ako. Trivia naman about the friendship. Honestly, it came out as a surprise kasi we're close individually. And then, one time lang, she invited us, you know, to her condo, like to chill lang, ganun-ganun, to make, you know, catch up. Di namin expect na magiging close kaming tatlo, like parang to the point na pag may free time si Mika, magkakasama kami. Carly po yung ginanap ko. Sigawan mo ako, condense! Thank you po again sa, oh my god, Galaxy. Tatlong Galaxy! Oh my god! Thank you po, grabe. Oh my god, if you like me, blink twice! Hala! Nagpapaulan! Oh my god! Hello! Oh my god! Totoo! Oh! Tigil na po! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! Parang ito yung nabibigay, oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you po.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, guys.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Parang feeling ko birthday ko ngayon. May Osmo Pocket ka na ba? Wala pa! Ay, hindi. May pang Osmo Pocket ka na. Akala ko may Osmo Pocket ka pa. Thank you po, girl. Kids. Grabe. Napasaya talaga ako ni Mensa Nurse ngayon. Guys, mag-blow muna ako ng candle. Asan ba yung lighter ko? Wait lang guys, di ako makapagbasa. Wait lang! Dito tayo. Wala akong makitang ano. Eto. Okay. Ay guys, isa pa. Wait lang. Ito muna. Ang random ng sound. Syempre, oh my God. Guys, isang fear ko talaga is lighters. Di ko kaya. Okay guys, everyone mag-happy birthday kayo sa akin na. Yun na. Itong electric fan ko.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Thank you,
birthday.
guys.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Happy
Hala!
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend.
Happy birthday to me. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for coming to my 20th birthday. Thank you po, Mensoners. Ang wish ko ay makanood. Lahat na nandito makakanood ng Beaniverse. Pati, oh, wait. May kulang pa ako isang wish. Wait lang. At isa pang Osmo Pocket 3. Creator combo. Grabe! Woo! Matutupad ang ating wish. Dito tayo! Dito tayo!
Dito tayo, mas delicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo,
Woo!
mas delicious.
Nababaliw na naman ako. Thank you po talaga, Mensoners. I love you with all my heart and soul. Grabe. Love you, King. Iyak na naman ako. Hey guys, request a song. Where did Thunder come from po? Di ko rin alam sa pamilya ko. Sino po crush ni Mika? Minsan ako, minsan si Ashley. Ano magandang song, guys? Can't get out, guys. Wait, text ko si Ashley, bumalik ka sa... Go back sa live. Everyone is looking for you. Dali. I guess, friend ko si Mateo, yung kumanta ng lalim. Dahan-dahan. Guys. Pinapapunta ko si Ashley sa live kasi play natin to. Oh my God. Ash, if you're here, press 1. Press 1 if you're in the... Bilis. Ang tagal niya naman. Ibalik natin ang Milkies. Dali na. Ang tagal naman ni Ashley. Dali na. Ano na? Dali na. Dali na. Dali na. Ayan. Play ko daw to para sa'yo, Ash. Yeah, I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. Hala, I'm tweaking daw, guys. Screenshot yun na to. Asa na ba yun? Oh my God.
It's like something missing in my life. Maybe it's you.
Tawagin na si Tanron Cal at this point.
It is you.
Service akong phone. Tatawagan ko yun.
I just can't
Get you out of my head, yeah.
You're the reason
That I wake up in my bed, yeah.
I got you stuck in my mind. Can't get out.
Nagre-relapse na si Ashley, guys. Nagre-relapse na siya. Anyway, OA naman. Okay, guys. You wish. Hala, palaban. Okay, guys, ano next song? Ano pa bang songs na parang nagre-remind kayo sa mga friends ko? Na lang. Raho. I'm sorry, but your PBB journey has come to an end. Ay na.
Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing. Hanging by a thread, my heart is bare.
Oh my God, andito si Master. Wait lang, Master ah. Pagbigyan mo muna ako dito.
Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'll wake in the next day without you?
Guys, andito yung mga usually kong nakikita, nagko-comment. Aubrey's M, si Master. Celebrate good times. Come on! Ano ba, parang mga Body and Soul by who? Guys, ano pang songs na parang pag napakinggan nyo, nare-remind kayo na parang, oh my God, Ashley, or sorry, may sinabing so. Actually, guys, you know what? The Man Who Can't Be Moved. Late na ba ako? Sobrang late ka na, mag-end na nga ako eh. Joke. The Man Who Can't Be Moved. Hala. Parang iiyak rin ako ah. Late na late. Will you change your hair color? Guys, oh my God. Guys, anong hair color maganda?
Got some words on cardboard, got your picture in my hand saying, if you see this girl, can you tell
Grabbing mood swings, guys. Feeling ko ADHD lang to.
Heavy money, they don't
Try red. But hi from Italy. Grabe, may mga Italian song viewer, oh. Hello, Pop Margie. Hello, Italy. Can you drop some gifts? Oh my God, nakakaya kayo on the drive home. Guys, iniyakan namin yan ni Ashley. On the drive home. Ash Blonde. Kaya ko ba? Pwede naman. I think favorite song naming tatlo ni Nikki would have to be Oceans and Engines. I'm not moving, yeah. Wait guys, sino may kita ko sa sa Beanieverse? Press 5. Oh my God, Master, mamimit na. Wait, na-meet na ba kita? Or hindi pa? Ay. Hala, totoo. Why is it always House Mika and not House Ash? Exactly. Do you know me? Teka, no. Pero hi, M. Ano maganda pang wrong send? Miss na kita. Tapos sabihin mo, ay, akala ko nanay ko to. House Raho, exactly.
Feeling used, but I'm still missing you, and I can see the end of this. Just wanna feel your kiss.
Ash, andito ka ba ba? Ito nga, andito ka ba ba, Ash?
It's passing by, but I still can't seem to tell you
I hate you, I love you.
me every time I see you. Realize how much I need.
BRB daw. Text ko nga to.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate.
Bilis mag-type, no? Kilala mo ako, hindi nga. Hindi ko alam. Eh.
I miss you when I can't sleep.
Ay guys, alam nyo pag pandemic, ito ang naalala ko na yun.
Still that same
Guys, parang talagang dito ko na,
Do you
shucks, ano yun?
like I miss you? Fucked around and got attached.
Oh my God guys, ito yung parang, pag naririnig ko, parang nababalik ako sa pandemic. Ito talaga.
Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a
Ito, like talagang napapa-ouch.
I'll get you up and going.
Out of bed.
don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future cause I'll never see
Mag-Biniverse din sa Italy. Actually, text ko na si MQ ngayon.
probably deserve it. I tried to do my
Ano?
best, but you know
Hala, thank you po for the money gun, Katie!
you've been praying for my health.
Babaluba Dubi. Yes po. Si Babaluba Dubi to.
And married, start a family, watch your husband with his son. I wish it could be me, but I won't make it out this bed.
Road trip naman kayo dito sa Nueva Ecija. Siguro sa next long break niya.
Happy you were mine. It sucks that it's all ending.
Don't stay away too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for you. Guys, what's Suha? Is Suha the round one? Actually, search ko na kami. Google naman tayo ngayon. Suha. Hindi pala siya yung below. It's pomelo. Oh my God, my dad loves pomelo. Ito ba yung kinakain with asin?
Yeah.
Or no?
I'm happy that you're here with me. I'm sorry if I tear up when me and you were
Cute day in the life. Yes.
taking goofy videos and walking through the park. You would jump into my arms.
Diba with asin, diba?
Bark.
Alam mo nagsabi no po. Sorry po.
Say me sound asleep and sneak out through your kitchen at exactly when I'm free. Sundays went to church and Mondays watched a movie. Soon you'll be alone. Sorry that you have to lose me. For too long.
You're welcome, Bea.
I'll make a cup of coffee for her.
Nalala mo kaya, may na-comment ako dun sa post mo dati sa X, yung may event for Globe, tapos ang layo mo. Layo ko talaga dun. Dahil kukunin ako ng security daw, pero di daw ako mahanap. Hala, dito si Marky, guys. Say hi, Marky! Pin this comment. Sabihin nyo nga, Marky, asan na yung promise mo na sapatos? Guys, paki-comment. Marky, asan na yung sinabi mong sapatos ni Raho? Pahiyain nyo nga to. Raho, pwede pa-edit. Ano pa papa-edit nyo? Pakita muna kayo. Yan ka na naman eh. Tapos pag nagpakita, wala rin naman. Huwag na lang, Marky. Ayan o, Louis Vuitton na shoes. Exactly. Ako yung nagsabi nung ikaw yung I remember that tweet. Where's your promise shoes for... Wow! English! Ready pa edit later po. Ano pa? Like, i-edit mo ako or magpapa-edit ka sa akin? We hug and yes, we make love.
No, it's just saying goodnight. Cut you short, no love before.
Wait, may pe-play lang akong song. Hala, wala na ba dito sa laptop ko? Wait lang, y'all. Hala, wala na nga. Tinanggal ko na. Kapal na mukha ko. Movies. Marky, saan ka ba mamaya? Kaya tamad ako lumabas. Ayoko na nga lumabas. Sabi ko na, tama na. Yay, nahanap ko na. Gusto kong pakinggan. Di po napapakinggan. Wait, dyan lang kayo. Ito na, guys. Matutuwa rin kayo kasi miss ko na tong kantang to. Yes. Sa paligid ko. Okay, ito na. Dito na ako. Anong episode na kayo sa How to Spot a Red Flag? 6 pa lang ata. Naano kasi ako ng Modern Family. Is Mika planning to buy a Porsche? No. I think it's just impractical. Siguro in the future. Siguro mga 20 years from now. Oh baby, baby, baby. Saan mo ba gustong pumunta? Sa bundok o dagat pa? Sa mga ulap kaya? Anong problemang iisipin pa? By the way, ano seat mo this Biniverse? Di ko pa po alam. Kay Mecca. Sina. When kayo mag-reunite ng barkada, Actually, we've been trying to set nga eh. Sabi ko mag-bowling kami. Gabi, pauwi. Guys, anong oras pinakamaganda pumunta sa Philippine Arena? Ayoko kasi yung mahaba na lakad. Dino ang mutya ng section E. I watched the first episode. Kinongrats ko si Andres kasi parang gumagaling siya. Di ko naman hinanap. Oh. Feeling ko may awesome pocket ka na. I hope before Feb ends. $5 a.m? No, hell no. Marky, may ticket ba ako? Sapatos muna kung gusto mo ng ticket, Marky. Kasi yan ka na naman eh. Ayoko naman maging kagaya mo na sabihin ko, oo, may ticket ka, pero wala ka nang tapos di ko bibigay. I don't wanna be like you, Marky. La. Ilang kilometers sinakbo nyo noon? Kailan? Saan? Aren't the Osmos cheaper in the Philippines compared to Canada, US? I saw them sa Costco and they're cheaper. But if you found out ikaw lang pula, ha 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 ha, sapak, Marky. Diyan ko masasabi, liar ka. Yung promises mo. Bakit wala ka sa fun run, di ako nagising. And then nagising ako, tapos sinabad na ako. Tapos nakita ko 6:20 nung pala nag-start or 6:30. Di sana pumunta na ako. Ask them, haha. Ask who? Ang chin. Ay, di wala pala. Are the ones sa his enter? Yes po. Hindi ko alaman. Tayo. May meet na kita this Feb 15. I know! I can't wait to meet you, Master. Sige, text mo nga siya. Sabi ko wrong send. Hi, miss you. Ay, sorry, wrong send. Kasama ba kayo nila Criza taas? Saan? Saan kami kasama ni Criza? Yeah, the one in Costco is like very, like it's cheap. Di naman cheap, pero like cheaper than down here. And it's always out of stock here. I don't know where to buy. Based on comments, sa hilo na ako kung nga rin eh. Kaya pag nakikita nyo na kaganyan, may binabasa ko isang comment, tapos pag nakita ko na wala na naman. One step forward, two steps back. Bawat ang magkakaibigan. Sumeryoso. Ang dami. Oh my God, ito na naman tayo sa comments. Guys, ang bilis. Hi, Charmel. $11:08 na pala. Ang bilis. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the live in 1 minute. Kasi ako kakain. Di pa ako makain. Sino mga kasama mo? Di ko pa alam. Rama, magsisend ako ng yun, abangan mo sa labas ng bahay mo. Laro. Again, thank you again, Mensa Nurse. Love you. Catch you all later. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow magla-live ako. What food? Actually, guys, inisip ko talaga mag-order ng Jollibee. Isang Jolly hot dog. Yun lang. Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow. Baka mga 8 p.m. I don't know. We'll see. Alam nyo naman ako, magsabi ako ng time, tapos di naman matutupad. So, See you when I see you. Catch you on the other side.